Thank you.
But maybe, more pointedly, that which you set out to do in that retreat seems like it has already been achieved, because deductively listening to...
Yeah, tomorrow, Bomas,
Yeah.
aspirants and whatnot, principals meeting.
Na tumeuliza maswali mengi na watu walikuwa nafikiri tutamaliza kasidi. Tulisema itaisha. Na bado tunasema itaisha. Sisi sio watu wa kushindwa na ile kazi. Pale kumekuwa na watu wenye hekima, watu ambao wana akili na wanapenda nchi hii na wanafanya kazi ya muhimu sana.
You read a coalition agreement, I think, which was distributed when it was signed, even before it was registered. There was a clause that dealt with the additional membership. We had enabling provisions so that anybody at any time, if the summit decides, or if the National Coordinating Committee recommends the summit, we can have additional members to the coalition.
Thank you.
But maybe, more pointedly, that which you set out to do in that retreat seems like it has already been achieved, because